Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection issues on any Realme phone. So first, open the Bluetooth settings and turn on the Bluetooth. Now we need to wait till the available devices show and pair with your device. Click Pair on both devices, and now when you have any issues, try to disable and enable the Bluetooth again to refresh it. Click the information icon next to your Bluetooth device and unpair. Wait till it shows again. Disable Bluetooth and enable if you have any issues with searching for the available device. Now try to connect. Click pair. And now if you have any more issues, go into the settings, scroll down to system and update, backup and reset, reset phone, and reset network and Bluetooth settings, and click reset. After that, try to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device and go into Bluetooth settings and then pair once more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.